morning, everyone. It's a lovely day today, so I am finally officially off from my quarantine. So I finished my 7 days quarantine, and today is my day 8. So here it is, guys. I'm free, and today I am heading here. As you can see, it's beach day for me. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. So I'm gonna walk from here. This is Tennyson Beach, and I'm gonna walk from here to all the way to Henley Beach. So yeah, it's a beautiful. I'll show you guys. Here, so all the way to that side is Semaphore Beach, and here is all the way from here. So that jetty over there is the Grand Jetty. After that, it's gonna be Henley Beach. So I'll start from here and move on to Henley Beach today. Yes, it's gonna be an adventure. Freedom. Yes. I'll have a look around here. The beautiful houses here in this area. So this is Grand Jetty now, guys. Next stop is Henley Beach. So basically it's just the same beach, but a bit longer. So yeah. Freedom! Beautiful day today, guys. I hope you're having a lovely day. So I'm gonna show you. This is Grand Jetty. So guys, I came from all the way from there, getting closer to Henley Beach jetty, and I'm going to have lunch there. Can't wait. It's been a long walk for me, but it's good for my health. It always feels so good to be out and about. Thank God for all the blessings, and I'm so grateful for everything. And I'm turning 41, so I'm getting old, guys. It's not that I am denying it, but I'm embracing it. Oh my God, I'm aging, but that's not the end of the world. Age is just a number. I'm getting closer to Henley Beach. So I am finally here at Henley Beach Jetty. And here it is, guys, Henley Beach. If you walk past all the way from this jetty all the way there, that's gonna be the Glenelg. But I'm not gonna go there because I'm gonna be running out of time. Yeah, beach day. Still winter here, but it's a bit sunny. It's sunny today, so it's good. Hi guys, so this is Henley Beach. Here I am at the Henley Beach jetty right now. I had my lunch and I am heading home. And this will sums up my day. It's a beautiful day. Henley Beach. Henley Beach. That's Glenelg over there. Hi guys, so I'm heading home now. I had my lunch. And I think the sun is not here anymore, but still walking by the beach. Vitamin C. Pretty good. Feeling great. 1 week from inside the house. And I mean, like, you know, we're at our backyard, but to be out and about is a different story. It always feels so good to be out and about, guys. And I'm still gonna go back to work tonight. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. Enjoy. Thank you for your support as always. And this is Mharvskie here again. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button notification so you will be updated every time I post a new video. Thank you.